Was fantastic. I didn't know I could even become better.
Hello, welcome to People Tech. Today we are at the IoT event. I want to interact with some of the people here to see how they came to learn and if you were able to achieve their expectations. So let me start with one of the guys here. Please, what's your name?
Hakim.
So, what was your expectation for this program today?
I think I was. This is my first time, by the way, so I normally see them like putting on a group around the meetups and everything. But my expectations, like, they were higher than what I thought. So I thought I would just come and meet and talk about. But actually, there were sessions on blockchain, sessions on like finding your own life purpose. I'm really thrilled to be here today.
Okay, so were you able to achieve your expectations like coming here today?
Yeah, I think so. I think so. I mean, it has even exceeded my expectations because, like, and I was able to like learn Arduino and something about it. So I really learned something today.
So, one way to qualify the program.
I mean, it was terrific. That's all.
Thank you. Thank you for your time. We have another one here. Uh, Please, what's your name?
My name is Jeff.
Okay, Jeff. What was your expectation for the program today?
Actually, I have high hopes, and I just no, truthfully, I just came to deliver shirts, so I decided to join to have experience of what I've been hearing all over. For a long time, I've been hearing meetup, but I've never been. This is my first time.
Okay, so were your expectation met today as you came?
Yeah, I guess yeah.
So,
Because I came halfway through, so far what I've seen so far is cool. So I'll come next time.
okay, so one way to qualify this program.
Oh, it's educating. Yeah.
Thank you for your time. Uh, Please, what's your name?
I'm Kevin. Kevin.
Okay, Kelvin. So, what was your expectation for the program today?
Actually, I've learned a lot. Like I've learned a lot, like how to build a circuit and understand.
Is this your first time?
Yeah, actually, it's my first time.
So, one way to qualify the program.
It was amazing. It was amazing. Although I came late, but I've learned something.
Thank you for your time. Okay, boss. I want to have 1 minute of your time. How's your name?
My name is Blessing.
So, what was your expectation for the program today?
I was expecting to get to learn new ideas and then gather some one or two topics that I can work on myself. So, being so good, God being so good, I've been able to gather one or two things. And
So, were your expectation met?
yeah, just really.
So, one way to qualify the program.
I think it's a great program. And it will help us the youth to build more on job activities also.
Will you encourage others to join?
Fully.
I'm Kote.
Could be.
Yeah,
Okay.
I like replacing my local name.
Okay. So, Kote, what's your expectation for the program today?
Okay, so I am a prominent member of this community. I've been with this community since it started. So yes, so I mean, almost everything that we are doing today, I mean, it's not completely new to me. But yes, with what has become of this community, every time you get the opportunity to come for a meetup like this, you get to learn a lot. Okay, so today you take the blockchain, what do you call it, session for instance. It was eye opening. It was very informative. I mean, I learned a lot, even though I still have confusion in my head. But I mean, generally, it was. I mean, and yes, the other, I mean, presentations too were excellent. And then, as always, you get the opportunity to network, to meet new people who are also doing stuff related to tech, okay, from other places. And then you share ideas, and then along the way, I mean, you become bodies, and then it continues from there. Yeah.
Thank you. One way to qualify the program.
Today, I mean, it has been superb, especially the item 13 part. It's always
Thank you. Please, please, can I have 1 minute of your time?
Myself.
Yes. What's your name?
I'm Dennis.
Yeah, Benis.
Yeah.
Okay, so what was your expectation for the program?
Oh, my expectations. This is it. Everything I was expecting is what we are doing. Yeah.
So, is this your first time here?
Oh no.
So it's a regular thing that used to come. So which word do we use to qualify for the program today?
Which?
Word to qualify the program that you came for today.
Ah, above expect. Okay, that's two words. Amazing. Yeah.
Amazing. I'll keep amazing in my dictionary next time. Okay, hello. What's your name?
I'm Osborne.
Osborne. So what was your expectation for the program today?
Oh, okay. I came with my kid brother who is new to programming.
Oh, okay.
I'm into computer science, software engineering.
Oh, wow.
I want to train him along the way, so I brought him to have this Arduino training
Oh,
just to put that spirit in him so that, and then he's really enjoying it. I keep communicating with him. You can see
I can see.
he's the one, yeah, he's the one doing the coding and everything. He's calling my name.
Please let me have one. What was your expectation for the program today?
It was fantastic. I didn't know I could even become better, but when I came, oh, it's good.
So, is this your first time here?
Yes, please. This is my first time.
So, give me one word to qualify the program.
Oh, the program is fantastic.
Thank you. Fantastic indeed. Okay, thank you. This is the end of the interview session. See you in the next session. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The name remains Kweku Tech. See you.